Okay. Here's how you make money in SALAULA. So I'm gonna give you different scenarios. Here's the first scenario. I want to assume the only thing that you have is 100 kwacha. Okay? I want to assume that you just have 100 kwacha. Just put 100 kwacha in the comment. Just 100. Just type 100. Okay? Let's give a scenario of somebody who has 100 kwacha. Just 100. I'm not talking about 10 million or 100,000. I'm talking about 100 kwacha. So I want to assume that you have 100 kwacha. Now let me explain to you how that 100 kwacha can become 1,000 in the next 10 days. Okay? Let me explain to you how that can become 1,000 in the next 10 days. And sometimes in 5 days. So let's begin to double it. So where do you start from? You have 100 kwacha. I want to show you how to make it 1,000 in the next 10 days. So on SALAULA. And I'm giving you my 16 years of experience in SALAULA. So start with 100 kwacha, then we'll go to 5,000, we'll go to 10,000, then we'll go to 20,000. So 100 kwacha first. So if I'm talking to somebody right now as 100 kwacha only, and they are stuck, I'll say this. I'll say, tonight as you sleep, I want you to think about what you're going to do tomorrow morning. And here's what I'm giving you a plan. Tomorrow morning, wake up at 05. Okay? 05. Stay with me. Wake up at 05 tomorrow morning. And here's where you're going to go. You're going to go to Soweto. Tomorrow morning at 05. Go to Soweto. Okay? Go to Soweto. They are behind the city market. There, that's where there's Soweto. Go there tomorrow morning at 05. 05, 06. Go there tomorrow morning. Why am I telling you to go there very early? Because very early, that's when people open bells. When people are opening those bells, there are those who open very early and then those who open at 9 hours. But those who open at 9 hours, you say there's too much congestion. So it is very difficult to get something nice. But when you go early, before people come in town, you are there very early in the morning. 5, 6, you are there. You're going to find those women there and those men who open bells, my jeans, my hipster, my t-shirt, they open those ones. Do you know how much they sell them at? 35 kwacha, 40 kwacha, 50 kwacha, 60 kwacha. That's how much they sell. So if you have 100 kwacha, you can go and buy 2 jeans. 45, 90 kwacha, 50. You can even negotiate in the morning. When you buy those 2 jeans, go in Cairo Road. If you have nowhere to sell, go to Cairo Road. There in Cairo Road, it's free. You're going to find guys who we call vocal. Those are guys who come when you open a bill, they choose something nice, they stand in Cairo Road and they sell to those who are driving cars there. That jean for 40 kwacha, you'll be able to sell that jean at 120 or 200. If you're observant, when you go to Cairo Road, none of those guys will start to tell you, no, 180. They will say, no, 200. They 120. That's the price. So one jean for 45 kwacha, you're going to Cairo Road, they're going to sell at 120. Don't feel shy at people who are driving with you. Don't forget about people who know you. Just go there, stand there with 2 jeans. You sell those ones. Those 2 jeans will give you 240 tomorrow. And I promise you're going to sell. People buy there. They will buy from you. If you have friends at work, or if you have friends at school, if you're in school, even better. Because now when you go to your school, you take to them a guy in Nakajina, Nikasalis, a guy in OG, 250. They will give you, because jeans are expensive. 250. Those guys in school, go to Zikas or go to Cavendish, they're going to give you, they're going to buy. If you've got friends there, they're going to buy. If you don't have friends, just go around, just go in any college, any university. You are going to enter there, you're going to, so people will buy there. Students buy stuff. To my jean, to my shani, upita mochena, abagay nuko na kajina, abagay na kajina, zingati 180 abagay, 200 abagay. They will buy. And repeat the process for the next 10 days. I guarantee, I promise you, after 10 days, that 100 kwacha will be more than 1,000. That's how you start as a vocal. Small 100 kwacha, you go on. So if you have workmates, You know you have workmates. You are a lady. You have workmates, but you are broke. You have 100 kwacha. Go to Soweto. Go and go to those body tops in 35 kwacha. Choose nice ones. You even know more office. My what talk for about suma. Go and choose. Take to them. No, I have this. I'm selling. Sell to them. Oh, this one just give me 100 kwacha. They'll give you 80 kwacha. They'll give you what? You sell them. Tomorrow morning you go and order more.